Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, obviously you will want to open up your settings. From here, scroll down to General Management. Scroll down a little bit and you will find a reset option, which I just clicked. There we go, reset. And from here, you want to select Factory Data Reset. This will bring up a window telling you what this will remove. So as you can see, we have things like Google accounts, system and app data, setting downloaded apps, and actually important stuff like music, photos, and actual user data. Just to kind of verify, or not verify, but clarify this, things like Google account, system, and app data, there is basically almost zero reason for you to care about this, because Google accounts, obviously you can log in, it's an account, and system and app data is something that you get from, for instance, downloading apps. And obviously if you have downloaded apps, you can re-download them. You still have Play Store. So that's why majority of those things don't really matter, but things like photos, music, and user data, that might actually matter, because once removed, you might not actually have a backup of those, and thus you will basically lose it permanently. So if you need to keep those files, do make a backup copy before you actually start. Now, assuming you have already done so, or you simply don't want to, click on Reset. If you have some kind of protection on your device, like I do, I have a pattern, I'll need to confirm it. And this will then take me to the next page, which is Delete All. So click on it, and this will begin the process. This should take like a couple minutes to finish up, and once it has, we should then be greeted with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.